Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine stepping outside to soft light filtering through evergreen fronds, the quiet whisper of a tiny fountain, and your garden feeling like a deep breath, even in the busiest week. That effortless calm. You can create it even in the smallest outdoor space. Hello friends, welcome to Garden Glow, your home for peaceful and inspiring small garden ideas. Today we're exploring Effortless Small Garden Design 2025, cozy, minimal and calm trends. When designing for true ease, think resilience, not rigidity. Choose evergreen plants that thrive on neglect. Boxwood, ZZ plants, snake plants and trailing ivy. Arrange them with generous space, so your garden breathes and feels open, not crowded. Use vertical walls for potholes or ferns to add life without taking up precious floor room or maintenance time. Layer in comfort with honest materials. A woven poof, a teak stool, a linen throw. Keep your palette warm and grounded. Oat, taupe, sage green, creamy neutrals. For lighting, go simple and solar. Lanterns that charge by day, glow by night, and never need wiring or worry. Add one quiet sound, the trickle of a self-contained fountain, the rustle of wind through grasses, to deepen the sense of peace without adding upkeep. Your garden doesn't need to be perfect to be peaceful. It just needs to work with your life, not against it. Like, share, and subscribe to Garden Glow for more serene, seasonal, and space-smart garden inspiration that supports your well-being, without the work.